So hello everyone, myself Piravrat and welcome to our YouTube channel Helpful Techniques. So guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the HCL Tech or HCL Off-Campus Drive 2022. So they're hiring for the developer position. So before discussing further, if you are new to our YouTube channel, then please subscribe so that you'll be able to get the various off-campus related updates and also how to prepare for various off-campus and the on-campus. And also we upload videos related to the various technologies, and currently we are uploading videos related to the SQL concepts. Like you can see, various videos are there, and also interview experience videos we have also shared, so you can watch those videos. So I'll be sharing the links so that you can watch the videos or our latest videos related to your based on your requirements. So now let's discuss about the position and what are the key skills and about the eligibility criteria. So the job posted was on 1st November 2022, and it is for the developer position, and this is the Pune location job, and this is the job ID. So if you are approaching to any HCL employee, then you can ask them to refer you for this position by providing this position ID. And experience needed is 0 to 2.5 years of experience. That means freshers can also apply. And basically there is no restriction to the batch criteria here. That means any batch candidate can apply, provided they must be ready to join the company if they are being shortlisted within 15 days. That means immediate to 15 days of people of notice period, people can apply for this position. And this is for the India, and the job family is the development. It's a purely development profile. So now let's discuss about the skills needed for this position. So basically they are looking for the Java J2EE part, and also you must be having some idea or the experience or the knowledge or some hands-on experience on CSS, Angular, and Bootstrap, and the jQuery and JSP servlet, and etc. Or the REST APIs, how to use the REST APIs and all. So basically it's a kind of full stack development profile, and they might have somewhere mentioned, yeah. So you can see this is the technical skills, ERS, full stack technologies with Angular. So these are the key skills or the expertise or experience you must be having if you are applying. So if you don't have any experience, you must be having the knowledge at least, so that they will shortlist your profile. And apart from that, any branch candidates can apply. There is no restriction. And about the percentage criteria, they have not mentioned any percentage. This is about the screening process. So if they have set minimum 60 percentage people, those who are having minimum 60 percentage throughout their academics, they can apply. Then they will reject your profile if you if you don't fall under this category. So but they have not mentioned. And the job expire date or the job position expire date is 1st December 2022, and they are actively hiring for this position. So if you are willing to apply, just simply click on the apply to this job. Then it will take you to the career page where you can apply. So I have already logged in. If you can see, the sign out option is there. That means I have already logged in. So if you don't have any account in the HCL career page, then you can create one. It's a simple process, just we usually do for various the social media accounts, right? So let's go get start. So you can go here or click here. Then you need to import your resume. Once you have imported your resume by clicking add resume or CV here, then you can click on the save and continue. Then automatically it will populate all the things or required details or fetch the details from your resume. Then you can go further. So this is all about the application process. So coming to the selection process, so the only the shortlisted people will be getting the invitation. That means it is not universal one that everyone needs to go through some process. No, only the profiles, the profile those who are being shortlisted, they will be receiving one link, and then they need to click on that, and they can attend the give some test. So test is basically all about the programming questions will be there. So once you are done with that, then you can attend the technical interview and followed by the managerial or the HR discussion. So this is about the hiring process or the recruitment process. So I'll be putting this link in the description of this video. You can go and apply for this position, and also I'll be putting some other off campus or the latest or the fresh off campus drive links as well in the description, so that you can apply for the other or the various off campus drives as well, because it is not easy for us to like cover the about the various off campus drives in a like single video in 5 minutes of time, right? So if you have any doubt regarding this off campus or any other career related thing, then you can comment in your doubts in the comment section below. I'll try to help you as soon as possible. So thank you guys watching for this video. See you in the next video.